Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and in this video gonna talk about NaraRouter. It provides some of the models for free and we will see the models it provides for free and we will see the setup process of it with OpenCode. So we will talk about MiMo 2.5 Pro model because it was direct competition to Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.4. And let me tell you, we actually don't need the top tier model like Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5 to do some stuff. If you want to actually build something, you can build with Opus 4.6 and any other model which have like intelligence equal to Opus 4.6. So we are going to see the MiMo 2.5 Pro model. So first of all, sign into the website. After signing, go to the models, and in our free plan we have four models: MiMo 2.5 free, Pro, and the Mistral models. Mistral models are cherry on top, so we're gonna see Pro version. So first of all, go to the overview, and let me tell you, you need to install the OpenCode. You can download it from opencode.ai, and you can download the desktop version and terminal version, whichever you want. So if you like ask me, the setup process is easy on which one, so it's easy on the desktop and it is little bit hard on the terminal, but it is the same thing. Okay, so let me open the open code. I will show you both method, desktop version and terminal version, both versions, so don't worry about it. So go to this setting button and go to providers, and in the very like end, select the custom provider, and here write the NaraRouter, and display name will be NaraRouter, and the endpoint we are going to copy from the website itself. Copy this one from overview, copy this one endpoint, paste it here, and you can create the API key here. Create the API key, you can name it anything, and the expiration you want to set it, you can set it. I will be setting the expiration because I don't want to go the model like public, so that you can't use my like users 7 million. So copy it from here and paste it in here, and in the name of model, let me tell you, go to overview. You can copy the model for free here. If you go to the models, you can copy the model ID. So we will copy the free version also, we will add it and we will name it MiMo. So if you can skip these models if you don't want to add them, I want you to use this model. If you want to skip all, just add this one. So if you want to use, okay, now I will submit it. Okay, as it is submitted, I will restart the open code. So as we have opened the open code, we are going to go here and select the NaraRouter, search for NaraRouter and select the model you want. So we will select 2.5 Pro model and we will say hey. So as you can see that it is replying, which model are you? So as you can see that it is saying MiMo 2.5 Pro from NaraRouter. So this is how you can set it up on the desktop, and if you want to set it up on the like terminal way, then like exit it. If you want to install it through terminal way, then you can go to your C drive, then users, to the username, and there will be a directory of config. And if you are on Linux, there will be like a local config directory in the local share, I think. And then go to OpenCode, and there is a JSON C file, opencode.json c, and open it in Notepad, and you can open it in VS Code if you have VS Code. Okay, it can contain some stuff and it can be empty as well. If there is no file, just create opencode.jsonc file in this location. Okay, so it can contain some stuff as well, because I am using a open gateway API as well, so I have added it earlier, so it can be empty as well. So if there is some stuff, just select the model provider, and before this colon add a comma and paste this stuff, NaraRouter, and this will be whole thing. So I will give in the video description. This will be your stuff. If there is no other API in your like JSON-C file, you can add this one as well if you want to only use NaraRouter. no other like custom provider. This will be your way to go. So I will be providing both the things in the video description as well. Now if you will open a open code, let me open it. Now open a terminal anywhere you want and run the command OpenCode auth login. So now we will be adding the like API key to our OpenCode auth.json file. So we will run this and it will show the all the providers. We will search for other and we'll select other. Now as you have earlier did, we give the like provider ID is NaraRouter. We will give the API key from here. Let me copy it. We're gonna paste it and enter. We are done it. Now close the terminal and open it again. So as you can see, our open code is opened. I will go to models and we will select for Nara router. So you can see here there are Nara router and there are 4 models. I will select MiMo 2.5 Pro. So I have gave this command create a snake game in single HTML file and it is like working. While it is working, let me show you the dashboard. As you can see that we are hitting 2.5 Pro model again and again. You can see that 12 second ago, 22 second ago. So it is showing up in the dashboard as well. You can see the uses here. As you can see that I have already used 1.7 million tokens. So as you can see that HTML file is created. Let me go to this directory. It is created in here. This is snake game. As you can see that snake game HTML. And as you can see that it is like one of the best snake game in single HTML file by open source model I have ever seen. Okay, as you can see that it has a face and it has some animations as well. So MiMo 2.5 Pro model is like have some guts. You should use it. You should use it in your like some project, and then please comment out how you like the MiMo 2.5 Pro model and make sure you subscribe for the next video. Thank you.